Hello everyone, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, and Salam Alaikum. Welcome back to Sekhar's Lab. So, guys, this is your go-to space where we explore real online passive income ideas, share tips, and have a little fun along the way. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the journey. So, let's dive right in. So, guys, welcome back to the ultimate guide for setting up Google AdSense through Google SiteKit and getting it approved. In this video, we will take you through the entire process step by step, including my own real strategy for the approval, ensuring you are ready to start monetizing your website. Okay, so let's dive in. So guys, you will learn how to integrate Google SiteKit with your AdSense account and getting it approved. This comprehensive guide will provide all the steps needed to optimize your site for maximum monetization potential after approval. Okay, but guys, one important question is why Google SiteKit is a must have for AdSense users. So the reasons are, let me explain you. First of all, Google SiteKit simplifies your website management, making it easier to track your website performance. Second, it gives you valuable insights into your audience and traffic patterns, helping you optimize your content for better engagement. And third one is Google SiteKit streamlines your AdSense integration, ensuring you are maximizing your monetization potential. Okay, so guys, let's do that. So to setting up your Google SiteKit account and connecting it to your website, we need to follow some steps. Okay, so begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. You can say your WordPress backend. And heading to the plugins section and click on add new plugin. Search for SiteKit by Google, or you can search Google AdSense. So you cannot see any SiteKit, so you can try Google AdSense. Okay, so here we go. So what we need to do, install and activate it. So you can see already I have installed and activated. My plugin is activated. You can see that. Next, follow the guided steps to connect your Google account and grant the necessary permissions. So what we have to do, once SiteKit is installed, it's time to connect AdSense. Head to the SiteKit settings. Choose AdSense. So you can see you need to connect more services. Okay, so already AdSense is connected, you can see that, right? So what we have to do, you need to connect your tag manager also. So SiteKit is connected with AdSense also, and you need to connect your tag manager also, and these are the services we need to connect. Okay, so once you will connect with tag manager or Google AdSense or any services you want to connect with SiteKit, then you will get prompts to link your account. Okay, so don't worry if you are new to AdSense or any other services like tag manager, analytics, search console, you can create an account during this step. All right, next, configure your AdSense account. Okay, submit your site for review and verify ownership through SiteKit. So you can also decide between automatic ad placements or manual customization. Let me show you how to do that. So we have ads option. Okay, here we go. Click on edit and auto ads. If you want to enable automatic ad placement, then you need to enable auto ads. Okay, otherwise you can manual customization you can do. All right, and after that, so my website is ready, but once you want to authorize Ads.txt file, so you know what you should do. Already I have added a video, and also I have added in my description, you can watch that. So once you have submitted your site, okay, patience is key. Google's approval process can take some time, so if your application is rejected, don't get discouraged. Review the feedback and make necessary adjustment like I do. When it comes to AdSense errors like this, let me tell you, related to low value content, okay, so you might see messages like insufficiently valuable content, thin content, lack of original content, poor user experience, okay, and it can have duplicate content, repetitive content, content not relevant to ads, too many ads on page. So these are errors of Google AdSense, okay. And don't worry about anything. What you have to do, you can authorize Ads.txt file, and then after you need to audit your website. Okay, so in the next part I will show you my own website audit and optimization strategy and secret tips for getting AdSense approval. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thank you guys, have a good day.